welcome back to my channel, and this is the second video that I'm recording for you as a gift. And you remembered I am reminding you that this December is the gift time because thanks to the Christmas and New Year, I decided to shoot a video tutorials on trading for beginners, and if you're not a beginner, it will be also interesting to use. And today I will teach you how to work out the situations profitably with indicator MACD. And you know what? This indicator is my favorite one. You've asked me lots of questions, kind of, what is your favorite indicator? But I've always kept it as a secret. Now I'm revealing it. The indicator MACD is my favorite one. So like this video right now and subscribe to the channel because it's gonna be very interesting and useful for yourself. And you will spend this last month of year very effectively, I'm sure. And of course, I will motivate you. I will push you to the work. I will force you to make money because you really need to buy presents. You really need to decorate your house. You really need money.
Well, hi everyone. So today I'll show you how to trade with OTC currency pairs. First of all, let's remember what is it. So these are the currency pairs broadcasted by the broker at nighttime, at the weekends, and with the technical analysis, we will use the indicator MACD because it's going to be more interesting. So it helps us to identify reversal points and what volumes are dominating in the market. So first of all, let's switch it on, go to the menu of the indicators and choose the MACD indicator. So you do not need to change anything here, just make the thickness of the moving averages a little bit bigger for you to see them better. So under the indicator you can see the indicator. This is two moving averages of green and red colors and the horizontal line with mark 0. On both sides of this horizontal line you can see the red and green histograms. So the signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, the green moving average is crossing the second red moving average, for example, from top to bottom, and at this moment you can see the red histogram that is forming. So this situation tells us that there will be the downward movement, and here we can open a trade down. So when, for example, the green moving average is crossing the red moving average from bottom up, at the same time you can see the green histogram is forming. This situation tells us that very soon the price will be moving up, and of course in this situation you're opening a trade up. So also we should pay attention to the levels of support and resistance, of course, because the indicator can give us some errors, and in some situations we can pay attention only to the moving average or only to histograms. And you should understand this signal and make your decision and then open a transaction. But of course you should rely on the general situation on the market, so because in some situations we can work ahead without waiting for the crossing of the moving averages, for example. So I guess that I will find different situations for you to show everything what to work out the situation ahead. First of all, we need to find something interesting. Let's do that. So guys, here you can see there has been very confident upward movement, and also there is the resistance level at the top. The price touched this level, then bounced down, and now after this rollback the price is trending again towards this level. So there is some place to the levels. So you can also see that red histogram changed its color to the green color and is approaching the horizontal 0 line. But I cannot see that they have crossed. So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes, and this is the excellent upside potential, and I think that the price is more likely to keep on moving towards this level, and it's also quite possible that this level can be broken through. And I can see that these volumes for an increase are growing, and I guess that there will be the intersection of moving averages, and as I said, we can work ahead sometimes. So we're gonna do it right now. So guys, it is very good. So the price really moved to the level. At the level there was the small flat zone, but in any case we made the profit. It is very good. And also I think that this level will be broken through completely, and then the price will go higher. At the moment you can see that the price is already moving higher, yes? So that's a very good start. Let's continue and find the next working situation. So here you can see the resistance level, and also the price approached this level, touched it, then bounced down. And now after this rollback, the price is again approaching this level. So the increasing volumes are going up, and the green histogram is approaching the horizontal line with zero mark from bottom up. So in this situation, I will open a trade up for 2 minutes because the price has the excellent potential for an increase, and I'm sure the price will move towards this level and can break it through even. But also this time is with reserve because there can be some situations like in the small rollback or the flat zone. We must be ready for that. So it's not bad. As you can see, the price really moved up and we made a profit. So the indicator showed the very good entry point. I loved it. So this situation was perfect. So let's continue and find the next working situation. So guys, here we have the support level and the price is already going beyond this level. So here I will open a trade down for 1 minute. You can see this overall potential of the price is going down, and this is a high chance that this level will be broken through in the very near future. And also the indicator confirms our entry point. The decreasing volumes are growing, and this is the crossing of moving averages, and I think that this situation will be very good for 1 minute. Let's check what can happen here. So that is very perfect. The price slowed down a little bit, then the movement continued and we made the profit. So this level is broken through now and everything is very perfect. Let's find the next working situation. So this is the resistance level at the top. We can also see that the price has been approaching this level already third time in a very short time. So this is the crossing and moving averages on the indicator display, and the increasing volumes are growing. So here let's open a trade up for 2 minutes, and I think that very soon this level will be broken through, since the price has the very good potential for an increase and the price lows are becoming higher. And such situation, it is more likely that after the third touch of the level, the price then will go higher, and the price is already breaking through this level with very good green candlestick, and I'm sure that the price can get to the flat zone or there can be the small rollback down, and that's why I have opened the trade for 2 minutes. Well, let's check what can happen here. So it's very interesting. As you can see, the price really broke through this level, then moved up and we made the profit. So the indicator was very useful this time. So let's find the next working situation. So here you can see there was an upward movement, the price touched this level, then bounced down, and now the price reversed and again moving up. So there is some place to the level of resistance, and the price has the very good upside potential. So let's open the trade up for 2 minutes, and the indicator also confirms our entry point. Increasing volumes are growing, and this is the crossing over averages, and I think the price will move towards the level and can break it through, and I guess that 2 minutes will be quite enough even if the flat zone happens, so we will be ready for it. So let's check it. So that's excellent. As you can see, the price really moved up and we made the profit. So this situation is very perfect, as this trading is perfect, you know, and the indicator is very good because it showed very good entry point. So let's check our deposit. It's $3,500. Let's find the last transaction for today. So I will find something very amazing. So guys, here you can see this similar situation. This is the resistance level, and after the bounce, the price is again moving towards this level and kind of sticking to this level, yeah? So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes. So the price has quite good upside potential, and I'm sure the price will be moving towards this level, and it is also possible that it will be the breakthrough of the level. The indicator also confirms our entry point. This is the crossing of moving averages, and I think that 2 minutes in this situation will be quite enough. And of course, I'm taking into account the flat zone or the pullback, so let's check it. So that's very good. As you can see, the price really moved up after the small flat zone, and this level is broken through now, so we made the profit. Yes, so my deposit is $5,000. It's enough. It's finished for today's trading. As you could notice, some citations were quite similar, kind of lots of them, and we worked out these citations due to the strategy that we know, because the trading is about the repetition, and you can find the similar citations in your own practice. You just need to learn to memorize them and understand how to work with this or that citation. Yes, so now you know how to work with the indicator MACD, how to work with OTC currency pairs. Now you need to try yourself, switch on the indicator, understand where is the resistance level or the support level. It's due to the situation that you are having on the market, and try to trade at weekends. Yes, because OTC currency pairs are a very good thing.
So now we have worked out the amazing trading. I have the very good mood about this. And you know what? I'm very happy that I decided to make this December special, because it will help people to realize their year that they have lived in 2022, yeah? And they will create the plan for the next year, the next level, the next stage. Yes, it's gonna be very interesting practice, and this month I am inviting you to spend together with me. For better interaction with me, I'm inviting you to my Telegram channel. This is the membership of traders, and there we discuss all the things, all the ideas, and there of course I post the trading signals with very brilliant profitability, more than 85, sometimes it's more than 95, sometimes it's even 100. Check it yourself, of course you will see that. So find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private, and I will add it to this private chat. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like. So see you next time.